and this was officially the last sunset of 2020. Of course, I could not capture it at a particular place because we were traveling at that moment, as you can tell, but this is all I got.
Assalamualaikum, how's it going? I hope you all are doing fine because I'm doing absolutely fine, and I am back with another vlog. But today is a special day because it is an end to 2020. This is to an amazing 2020 and along with hopes for a blissful 2021.
Assalamualaikum, beautiful people with beautiful chehras.
I fell in love cause you look so fine. So darling, please don't mind. I fell in love maybe once or twice.
पीछे से वो सीन कैप्चर कर सकूं दैट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
ये ले
तेरे पीछे ये
सारे चीज में 4 साल लगा। ये नहीं तो ये ले 10 साल।
ये इज्जत है हमारी।
So this year I had been able to achieve so much. Like, I made this YouTube channel, I started vlogging this year. Who could have imagined that I would be doing this right now? But here I am. And I completed my FSC this year. I got enrolled in an university, so I was able to achieve so many milestones. But for the future, 2021, it will be a start of a new decade, and I hope and I pray to have so many blessings by the grace of Allah Almighty to be with us in this new decade, because it will be a special one for especially the people of my age, like the ones, the teenagers and the ones till the age of 25, because we will be achieving so many milestones in this decade. Many of us will be graduating, many of us will be getting in universities, many of us will be starting a new part of our lives. There would be so much more for this decade, and I hope for the best to come, and I pray that it would be a blessing for us. It would come with blessings, it would come with happiness, success and peace for real. Peace in our lives. So it's very important, because the pandemic that we have gone through this year made us realize that there is a lot much to life and we need to do more for this. Also, हम 2020 को काफ़ी ज़्यादा बुरा कहते रहे हैं, लेकिन इस साल में बहुत कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जो कि हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. Like, as I was saying that I was able to pass on my FSC without even giving papers. Who could have imagined that it would happen, but it did. All our school lives we had been praying कि यार कोई ऐसा टाइम आए कि एग्ज़ाम दिए बगैर हम प्रमोट हो जाएं, और इस साल वही हुआ. तो it had been a totally unpredictable year, and we all did so much this year. Okay, so I am kind of being a lot nostalgic right now because the place where I am is not my home. This was my home, so we shifted houses this year. We shifted to a new house, and I'm very much happy being there, but this is a nostalgia for me because I spent almost all my entire life, the 18 years of my life, in this house, in this place. And this is the same room where I used to make videos. You might not be recognizing it because it's all empty right now, but it's a kind of a vibe for me being here. So when I say there had happened a lot many things in 2020, there had, and it had been a great year for me, even though we missed out so many things just because of a pandemic that was worldwide. But still, there had been a lot many opportunities and blessings of Allah. इवन तो अभी भी वो पेंडेमिक चल रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 31 दिसंबर के बाद और 1 जनवरी स्टार्ट होते ही सब कुछ ख़त्म हो जाएगा. हमें एहतियात करने की अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Well, at the end of the year, the most important thing for us is the resolutions. Well, this year I haven't made any resolution. जो भी 2020 के काम रह गए थे वो उसी में ख़त्म हो जाए तो ज़्यादा बेहतर मुझे ये लगता है कि एक नए साल को बिल्कुल एक नई चीज़ से स्टार्ट करना बेहतर होगा, बजाय इसके कि हम पुरानों को लेकर चलते रहें कि यार ये नहीं हो सका तो रेजोल्यूशन के तौर पे इसको रख लेते हैं कि ये ज़रूर करना है. बस इतना हो कि आराम से पूरा साल गुजर जाए, खुशियों के साथ गुजरे, यही रेजोल्यूशन है मेरी. तो बट आई वुड रियली लव टू हेयर अबाउट यू, about your resolution, so do tell me in the comment section down below, and don't forget me in your prayers. Okay, so this was my take on an amazing 2020 along with hopes of a blissful 2021. May the next one be the best one for all of us. Happy New Year.